Okay, there's 4 possible types of graphs that we might get when we talk about y equals b to the x. We're going to look at the graphs and match up the equations. So when b is somewhere between 0 and 1, okay, so bigger than 0 but less than 1, our graph is going to be decreasing with a decreasing exponential curve with an asymptote at y equals 0. Now when I say there's an asymptote at y equals 0, that means that there is an asymptote right there. So this equation goes, or this b value goes with this graph. Okay, now the second one for b is greater than 1. It's going to be an increasing exponential curve, again with an asymptote at y equals 0. So that's this curve here. So this would be when b is greater than 1. When b is exactly 1, so if b is 1, we're going to get just a horizontal line because it's just 1 to the x power. And what we know is that any number raised to the x power is just going to be 1. So it's going to be this graph here. So when b is equal to 1, we just get a horizontal line. And then for negative values of b, that would be anything less than 0, the output does not work. Okay, so there is no output when we have b is, when b is less than 0. And then there's one last one that's actually graphed on here for you, and that's when b is equal to exactly 0. So for that graph, we're going to have something that looks like this last one, when b is equal to 0. And it's only going to be that part of the graph where you see it graphed here. All right, that's the summary pretty quick of those 4 graphs. Go ahead and keep on moving.